Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox password reset issues. First, navigate to the official Roblox password reset page. It's crucial to ensure you are using the correct username or the email address linked to your account. Double-check for any typos before proceeding. This initial step is fundamental to a successful recovery process, saving you time and frustration. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. If you haven't received the reset email, don't panic. First, check your spam or junk folders, as emails often end up there. Also, confirm that the email address you entered is precisely the one associated with your Roblox account. Sometimes, there might be a slight delay, so wait a few minutes before trying again. Patience is key here, as email delivery can vary. Should the standard methods fail, consider alternative recovery options if you've set them up, like a verified phone number. If not, your next step is to contact Roblox support directly. When reaching out, provide as much detail as possible, including your username, any associated email addresses, and a clear description of the problem. This information helps them verify your identity and assist you more efficiently. To prevent future password reset headaches, I highly recommend enabling two-step verification on your Roblox account. This adds an extra layer of security. Always create a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Regularly update your account recovery information, such as your email and phone number, to ensure they are current. These proactive measures keep your account safe and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.